to your home.
Hi guys, this is luxgramking. This is the first unboxing and giveaway for our channel. Shout out to DK Luxuries for supplying us with this Saint Laurent card holder to give away. So as you can see, we've got a Saint Laurent box in front of us. So if we open it up, cool, pretty standard. What do they give us here? Nice, okay. So I think these are about £120 brand new. Okay, this is the card holder here. Super nice. I've had one of these before myself. Lasts me about 2 years. Super good quality. Like, look at the detailing on that. It's really nice. Top quality. Pretty scratch resistant, so mine's still pretty good condition. Yeah, awesome. Okay, to the giveaway. So, to win this, really simple. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, go follow at luxgramking on Instagram, and then tag a friend in the comments. So this competition will close once I've got 100 subscribers on YouTube, and the 100 people who subscribe will be the only people entered in the competition. So chance of winning it is pretty likely. Well, much better than some of the big competitions. Good luck guys, awesome.